Students, now let us continue with our 28th chapter in GK, which is Indian theatre. Okay, so folk theatre in India is usually performed in the open. This is theatre means in Tamil we say uh, nadagam or play, we can say anything. Okay, so in the olden days, India there were no that is there were so much plays played. Okay, in different languages they'll be having different stories to play. Okay, so they have different names for these play in their own languages in India. Okay, so folk theatre in India is usually performed in the open. Okay, there not be any room and all given. They'll play in the open area only. Okay, the stage has a uh, gangway. Okay, that runs through the surrounding audience and connects it to the green room. Green room means they'll put the makeup and all there. Okay, these are some popular forms of folk theatre. So the different names given in India are Jatra of West Bengal. In West Bengal, they'll call it as Jatra. Usually has loud music and plenty of melodrama. Okay, it is commercially very successful. Many stars from Bengali cinema and theatre performs in Jatras. Okay, Nutanki of North India. In whole North India, it will be called as Nutanki. All actors are in full view throughout the performance. They do not enter or exit. They also sing or play an instrument as a part of their chorus. See, in some place they'll have a curtain, that is a screen will be there, and they'll go inside and come out when their role comes. Otherwise, if their role is not there, means they'll go inside. If they need to come, that is their role is needed to be played, means they'll come out and play. Okay, but this is not like that. Newton key is not like that. In the whole play, every character will be outside only. They'll not go inside into the room. Okay. Ram Leela and Ras Leela of North India. The principal characters are Rama and Krishna, are most always played by boys under the age of 14. According to tradition, they must be pure and innocent. Okay, so in North India there are two names given. Okay, Newtanki and Ram Leela and Ras Leela. Tamasha of Maharashtra. Tamasha is a Persian word meaning fun, play, or spectacle. Okay, there are now more than 700 Tamasha troops touring rural areas. More than 40,000 people are employed by these troops in Maharashtra. Okay, Yakshagana. This is a folk theatre in Karnataka. Bhavai is a folk theatre of Gujarat. Okay, so two are given. Okay, Terukooth, this will be called, this is a Tamil word. This was a name given to street plays performed in South India. Okay, not only in Tamil, in South India they'll call it as like this. With few props and new costumes, themes were usually taken from the epics. Okay, that is from Ramayana, Mahabharata. That is the old stories about gods and evil, like that. They'll take it from the epic books. Okay. Now, the next chapter is dance, pay, chance. Okay, dance is a set of movements of the limbs and belly done to a particular kind of music. There are different dance style forms. Okay, so one of them is rumba. Is very popular in South America. It is a dance that tells the story of love and passion between a strong male lover and a coy, teasing women. Expressions play an important play in this dance. Okay, they'll not sing and all. Okay, the music will be played. They'll be that is acting. That is dancing to that music silently. Okay, then salsa. Salsa is a syncretic dance form with origins from the Cuban Sun and Afro Cuban dance. It is generally associated with the salsa music style, although it may be danced under other types of tropical music. Okay, so salsa is another type of dance. Here also two people will be dancing. Okay, so this is a combination of Cuban dance, that is, see, Cuba. There is a country named Cuba. Okay, there this dance we call as Cuban Sun and Afro Cuban. Okay, another uh, dance, they both mix together to get salsa. Okay, so salsa has its own specific music when it is danced with that music, it will really look good. Okay. Locking is a style of funk dance which is today also associated with hip hop. The name basically means freezing from a fast movement and locking in a certain position. That is, we can say somewhat it is related to break dance. Okay, that is, a sudden movement will be there and they'll suddenly stop. Okay, that will be called as break dance, right? So it is somewhat similar like break dance, holding the position for a short while and then continuing the same speed as before. Okay, they'll speed up the step, they'll stop, again they'll start speeding up the step. Okay, it relies on fast and distinct arm and hand movements combined with more relaxed hips and legs. Ballet. Ballet is a serious artistic performance in which movement and dance are used to tell a story without saying words. It is a play that is performed in the form of a dance. The male dancer is called the danseur and the female dancer is called ballerina. Okay. Jazz is a form of dance that showcases the dancer's individual style and originality. This form's dancer interprets and executes moves and steps in their own way. This type of dancing is energetic, fun, consisting of unique moves, fancy footwork, big leaps, and quick turns. Okay, so this helps to show what are all the individual talent a dancer is having. It helps, the jazz form helps us to show that. Then tap. Tap is a form of dance characterized by using the sound of one's tap shoes hitting the floor as percussive instrument. Two major variations on this dance exist: rhythm tap and Broadway tap. Broadway tap focuses more on the dance. It is widely performed as a part of musical theater. Rhythm tap focuses more on musicality and practitioners consider themselves to be a part of jazz tradition. That is, here also they can show their real talents. Next, quiz time. It is an Arabic style of dance developed in the Middle East. In the Arabic language, it is known as Raqs Shariki. It is also, we all know it in the name of belly dance. Okay, it is a street dance style that evolved among American youth in New York City during the early 1970s. It is break dance. Okay, in 1951, the Cuban composer Enrique Jorge introduced this dance to Cuban dance followers. Cha cha cha. Okay. This Spanish dance involves vigorous movements such as hand clapping and foot stamping. This is flamenco. Now, the next lesson is famous paintings. So, there were many famous paintings, and they they are drawing it now also. So, they'll become famous if everyone likes it. The painting will become famous if most of the people like it. It will become famous, right? So, okay, the first picture shows luncheon of the boating party. This painting describes a group of Rainier's friends relaxing on a balcony among the Seine River. In this painting, Rainier has captured the joy of the middle class of late 19th century France. This is a picture of life that brings happiness and joy to any room. Okay, this is a party room, right? Always, if there is a party, we'll all be happy, right? So, if a party showing picture is there in our room, then whenever we see it, we'll become delightful, enjoyful like that. Okay, then Mona Lisa, a very 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 famous painting. Okay, I think most of you know about this painting. This is a phenomenal painting from the past until now. Okay, this painting is stored in the Louvre Museum, which is located in Paris. It was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. The painting shows women looking at the viewer with what is often described as an enigmatic smile. Okay, girl with a pearl earring. Okay, it is one of the Dutch painter Johannes Vermeer's masterworks. Okay, it is sometimes referred to as the Mona Lisa of the North or the Dutch Mona Lisa. Okay, the Card Players. It is a series of oil paintings by French artist Paul Cézanne. Okay, there are 5 paintings in the series. One version of this painting was sold in 2011 for a price variously estimated between $250 million and $300 million. See, just he drew five paintings. Okay, one of them in 2011 only it was sold between 2000 sorry 250 million and 300 million. Starry night. Starry means somewhat scaring. Okay, okay. It is when we find something scarier, we say it's starry. Okay, it is a painting made world famous Vincent van Gogh. This painting depicts a classic painting that calls the emotion of tranquility in the church steeper to the wild abandon of colors used by sky that night. Okay, it shows a church. This is church and this is a sky which is showing different colors. Next, quiz time. It was created in 1931 by Salvador Dali. It is now displayed at the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. Dali introduced the melting pocket watches in this street. Okay. Then, sorry, sheet. Okay, this is called persistence of memory. This still life oil painting was painted by the Dutch painter Vincent van Gogh. He was a pioneer in the art movement called Expressionism. Okay, it is this painting was called as Sunflower. It is a painting by Pablo Picasso. It was painted in 1905 when Picasso was 24 years old. Okay, this is called Garyon La Pipe. Okay, next we'll see about science centers. Okay, we have that is India is developing more in science and technology. So this is one of the example that is we have space centers and we have atomic energy and nuclear research centers. Okay, so let us see what are the name given and where are they. Okay, Vikram's Sarabhai Space Center. It is in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Okay, Propelling Fuel Complex is also in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. These are all space centers. Okay, Satish Dhawan Space Center, which is in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Indian Space Research Organization, which is in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Physical Research Laboratory, which is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Space Application Center is also in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Okay. Next, where are the following atomic energy and nuclear research centers located? Atomic Energy Commission, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Uranium Corporation of India, Jharkhand. Jharkhand. I'm sorry. Saha Institute of Nuclear Physics is in Kolkata, West Bengal. Indian Rare Earths Limited, which is in Alwai, Kerala. Bhabha Atomic Research Center, which is in Trombay, Maharashtra. Electronic Corporation of India, which is in Hyderabad, Telangana. High Altitude Research Laboratory, which is in Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. Now let us see something about human anatomy. Okay, so first one is the aorta. Aorta is also known as the largest artery in the body. Okay, originating from the left ventricle of the heart, extending down to the abdomen, where it bifurcates into two smaller arteries. Okay, it is called aorta. Okay, then liver. Liver is the largest internal organ of the human body. Okay, its average weight is, in a normal human body is 1560 gram, which is nothing but 1.5 kg. It receives blood full of digested food from the gut. It stores some food and delivers the rest of the other cells through blood. The other function of this organ is to change the left material into harmless waste called urine. Okay, then the stapedius. Okay, is the muscle, is the smallest muscle. Okay, what is the smallest muscle? It is stapedius. It is located in the middle of the ear. Okay, by controlling the stapes, it helps to control the amplitude of the sound waves from general external environment to the inner ear. Okay, skin is the largest organ in the human body. The average human adult has skin surface area between 1.5 to 2 square meter. It is important function includes protection, sensation, heat, recusation, evaporation control, excretion and absorption. Sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in humans. It begins in the lower back and runs through the buttock and down the lower limb. It is the longest, widest nerve in the human body. Longest as well as widest. Okay. The sartorius, okay, is the longest muscle, okay. It is also known as Taylor's muscle. It is a long, thin muscle running from the pelvis and across the frontal thigh to the top of the tibia below the knee. It aids in flexion, abduction, and lateral rotation of hip and flexion of the knee. The stapes is the smallest bone in the human body. Okay, together with the malleus, that is, it is known as hammer, and incus, that is anvil. The stapes increase and transfer sound vibrations from the eardrum to the sensitive hair cells in the inner ear. Okay.